Yeah, I will start to record. So our conversations later on will be heard, will be recorded, then it's as our practice too. Jadi ini sekalian praktek kita kan Bapak Ibu, sambil nunggu Bapak Ibu yang lain ya. Currently I heard about guru penggerak. Yeah, so you had a discussion about guru penggerak. So what is in English guru penggerak and Merdeka Belajar? Nanti itu dua hal itu, maybe we can try to have the English terminology ya. Anyone? Ada mungkin dari Bapak Ibu yang sudah masuk ini sebelum opening kita ngobrol santai about guru penggerak. Ya, as Pak Nadine said ya, we have the curriculum Merdeka Belajar. Itu we can use freedom to learn program ya, freedom to learn program. Lalu guru penggerak itu kita bisa guru tetap ya, teachers, tetapi terminologi penggerak itu bisa menjadi a driving force ya, teacher as a driving force gitu ya. Jadi saya ketikkan teacher as a driving force. Seperti itu nggih. Ya. I have note ya in the note ya. That's guru penggerak. Then Merdeka Belajar tadi freedom
learn.
Ya. Freedom to learn program.
Freedom to learn.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why you had several, what is that? Socializations, yeah, sharing and extra related with the teacher as a driving force. Teacher must have a different impact, right? Yeah. Oke, ini sudah lumayan banyak yang sudah masuk ya, Bapak Ibu. Because we have also what that? Ya, Pak. We have a new one ya. Bu Rani, welcome. Pak Prasetyo, dan Bu Dia, Bu Ani, dan Pak Adi. Bu Endang, ya. Thank you. Can we start? Bisa dimulai, Bapak Ibu? Ya, nanti sambil gantian ya, menunggu teman-teman yang lain. If we want to have what is that, one screen for two teachers, it's okay ya. As long as we learn ya, we will share related with our schedule today. Ya. Our schedule for the online itu kan seperti namanya ya, community of practice. So we will have this one Bapak Ibu ya. Training for teachers for SMP warga Surakarta ya, about giving procedure. Nah, we will start with these questions ya from Bapak Ibu kemarin. You have got your micro teaching. Ya, then you have also got your what is that? Sebentar, saya mute sebentar ya. Ya, beberapa yang Mas ini ya. Okay, you have got your teaching practice, micro teaching, yeah, for your midterm, and got the feedback from Bu Elisa and I. Then after that, last week, yeah, we meet offline. Thank you for that enthusiastic. We got what is that? Giving procedure, yeah, talking about procedural text. Nah, you have experienced it at the class. Bapak Ibu sudah ya praktek walaupun ada beberapa writing ya dan juga speaking kemarin. Nah, I will ask about the motivation first. What motivates me ya in studying procedural text? Ini berguna untuk apa ya? Ini memotivasi saya untuk apa ya? So here in the opening, I want you to share. Then we will make kind of feedback, comments, and extra ya, conversation. What motivates you to to learn procedural text and how can you encourage yourself to learn it. Nah, ya ini tentang motivasi ya, bahasan kita pertama. Nanti Bapak Ibu kita bisa mendiskusikan ini. What motivates me? Nah, misalnya saya beri contoh ya. Learning about, but not about procedural text, because procedural text will be answered by Bapak Ibu ya. Maybe related with studying, for example, simple present tense ya. Seperti kemarin di salah satu tema topik di saya mute sebentar, mohon maaf. Nah, one of the topic ya in the midterm ya. Why I like to study simple present tense, because I can share a schedule ya, a daily routines to my students, for example like that. So it is important for me to learn simple present tense. I will share my daily activities to my students so that they can know about it. Nah, misalnya seperti itu. Sebentar. I will have the audio muted, yeah, so we can have more comfortable lessons. Okay, now one by one, maybe Bapak Ibu, I will have the same questions to you, but related with the procedural text. Yeah, what motivates you to learn procedural text, and how can you encourage yourself to learn it? Ya, sudah saya mute sebentar. Ya, Bapak Ibu, wanna try to answer about our last week ya, materials. Kira-kira apa ya procedural text itu fungsinya? Saya termotivasi enggak ini untuk belajar procedural text ya, giving procedure. Ada Bapak Ibu yang mau menyampaikan? You can do typing on the chat box, or you can open your mic, then you can have it in direct opinion now. Maybe I will ask one of you as the pioneer, the beginning Pak Heri, what do you feel? Do you feel motivated or not to learn giving procedure? And what motivates you if you feel motivated with this? Okay, Pak. Or the other teachers wanna share about it? Pak Edi likes to seems thinking about it. Yeah, maybe you wanna have your opinion about it.
Oke.
Ya, thank you Pak Edi.
Mr. Hari. I learn procedural text kemarin. I like learn English.
Yeah. Okay, like to learn English. Okay.
I try apa ya? Bahasa Inggris.
It's okay. I will help you. Just create it. You can mix it with bahasa. Pak Edi bisa mengkombinasikan dengan bahasa Indonesia.
Try mencoba itu loh. Apa ya, saat ngajar dikit-dikit itu prosedur emik pembelajaran, buat pembelajaran pakai bahasa Inggris dikit-dikit. Kerjasama sama anak-anak itu Inggrisnya apa ya? Saling kerjasama. Ya, anak itu. Ya bikin semangat. Wah, sekarang ya Pak ya, bahasa Inggris sama Indonesia ya bagus lah. Kita harus belajar. Ini Bapak Ibu guru sudah belajar training for yayasan ini ya. I like and I try training English. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pak Edi. Yeah, that's a good idea ya about what you have done, what have you felt so far. Ya kan itu yang tentang apa yang pernah dilakukan, yang dirasakan juga oleh Pak Edi, right? First tadi mentioning about because you like English, and then the students also like English. Yeah, that's the first reason. Yeah, that's why you feel motivated. And then the second one, maybe like if you want to have a present, something like that. Yeah. Get motivated, excited. Anak-anaknya ya, we will learn English with bahasa Pak Edi, and something like that ya. Yes, because the teachers are learning English, and the students are also learning English with us ya, together ya. So togetherness, kebersamaan tadi ya. Then the second one is the togetherness. Kalau together ya, the adjective, then the noun will be the togetherness with the students. Your bonding to the students related with one of the topic procedural text that Pak Edi shared. You made it in your learning process. Sudah menerapkan Pak selain di latihan kemarin in the class maybe in a simple way?
No, try.
Okay, not yet. Okay, because maybe we have a limited time. Okay, thank you, Pak Edi. Then the other one,
welcome.
We have different experiences, different opinion maybe. Who wanna try to share? Maybe one of you, maybe we have a male teachers, now we have female teachers Bu Ani like this, maybe still thinking about the reason smiling. So sorry Bu Ani it's okay. What do you feel? Do you get motivated to learn procedural text? What is the benefit of it? Kira-kira motivasinya apa Bu kalau belajar yang procedural text? Oh, still muted. You need to unmute first.
Unmute Bu Ani.
Yes.
Okay. Sudah.
Done. Okay, we will hear about your opinion, Bu Ani.
I learn procedure text with English. Biasanya kalau di pembelajaran bahasa Indonesia menggunakan bahasa Indonesia, tetapi kemarin belajar menggunakan bahasa Inggris.
Okay, so do you feel this is useful in your class? Kayaknya berguna nggak Bu belajar untuk procedural text nanti in your class?
Apa ya?
Have you tried it so far di kelas? Punya kesempatan untuk mencobanya, Bu?
Iya, okay. I try in real class.
You wanna try or you have tried? Sudah pernah dicoba kemarin? Waktu mungkin tadi pagi atau Jumat itu?
Belum. Itu
belum.
Karena di pembelajaran di kelas saya kebetulan belum ada.
Oh,
Tidak ada. Jadi di kelas. Ya.
Oke, thank you Bu Ani ya.
Belum sampai di situ pelajarannya. Belum dicoba.
It's okay. But we know that you want to try it, So thank you Bu Ani for your response, So you say that in Bahasa Indonesia we have the similarity, But in Bahasa now Bu Ani want to try it in English, Then we are going to wait it. Ya, mungkin nanti in the other session ya, we can do sharing related with what we have done so far. Ya, oke. The last one, terakhir. Mungkin I wanna hear from Pak Budi. If you wanna share something related with the motivation in learning procedural text.
Thank you, Mr. Eri. With procedural text makes the easy to make sentence because step by step we can arrange a sentence from easy to more
Prosedur.
difficult.
Okay.
Prosedur.
Yeah. Thank you, Pak
Step by
Budi.
Make easy
Step by step.
to make sentence complete gitu. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Eri.
Wah, great. Thank you ya, Pak Budi. It's very useful for Pak Budi, especially ya. Then Pak Budi, we remember you made kind of simple procedure ya, implementation with programming ya kemarin. If it is failed, try again and something like that. That's good. I think, yeah, we have the same answer ya. We felt motivated to to implement it to our class because it is very useful for us related with Bapak Ibu ya, each lesson, each topic ya. For each topic, if you wanna share about steps procedure, you can have the procedural text ya, giving procedure. Jadi sangat apa ya, sering kita gunakan ya Bapak Ibu ya. Oke. Then after motivation, yeah, I want to discuss a bit related with our sharing, yeah, in this class, yeah, teaching experience. Nah, in teachers sharing like today's class, we have the effectiveness later on ya. Kita harapkan ini nanti akan meningkatkan. Kenapa? Karena we have ya when we share something, mungkin tadi Pak Budi sharing ya, kemudian Bapak Ibu yang lain sharing, itu akan menguatkan ya, supportive and collegial working environment. Kenapa saat offline kemarin saya atau feedback test itu ya saya sebut environment, lingkungannya, karena this is your chance Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi Bapak Ibu punya kesempatan bareng-bareng ya, belajar bersama-sama, itu enak ya. When we ya, they accumulate experience in the same context. Jadi ini keuntungannya Bapak Ibu. Kita akan sharing apa yang telah Bapak Ibu lakukan. Mungkin tidak hanya bertiga tadi yang sudah menceritakan tentang motivasi ya, about motivation. But later on we are going to share. Nah, ini saya tanya satu-satu. Kalau tadi masih bertiga ya. Can you share your experience in procedural text teaching? Who knows that one of you have taught it on last Friday. Mungkin Kamisnya kita sharing, Jumatnya ada yang implementasi ya. Who knows? Or in this early Monday, mungkin di Senin pagi sampai siang ini sudah ada yang coba ya, siapa tahu. Atau yang belum tadi tidak apa-apa ya. We will have one by one ya for answering. Sudah dicoba belum? Have you tried and implement it to your class, Bapak Ibu? Dari pojok kiri di layar saya ya, mohon maaf. You can answer yes or no questions ya. You can respond it with yes or no. Bu Ari, have you done implement in your class? Not yet. Oke. Tadi Pak Edi, not yet ya. Oke, it's okay ya. Pak, ya, thank you Pak Edi. Pak Muhammad Karimudin, have you implement in your class? Yes or no, Pak? Have you done it? Oke, we will skip for a while. Mungkin kita lewati dulu. Tadi Pak Budi, have you done implement the procedural text in your class?
Oh, not yet in the class, but I tried alone.
Alone, okay. Have self practice, yeah. First, okay. Yeah, Pak Heri Purwati, have you done implement it in your class so far? Okay, Pak Heri. Yes or no? Oh, not yet. Okay. Then Pak Heru Ponjo, have you done?
No yet.
Not yet. Okay. Bu
yet.
Endah. Thank you Pak Heru. Bu Endah. Bu Endah Wihartati.
Not yet because I haven't interest class yet.
Oh, you.
Saturday holiday. Monday I'm picket.
Oh, okay.
Not in class.
Okay, you do not have the time yet, yeah, to share it in the class. Okay, thank you, Bu Endah. Bu Rani, how about you? Bu Rani Tiur Prasasti.
I'm sorry, my internet is
unstable. Okay, Bu Rani.
But I have practiced it.
You have practiced it. Yeah, great. When is it? When was it?
Okay. When maybe every start our lesson, I will ask my student. Okay, student. First, you have to keep your phone, blah blah blah. Then you have open your book, something like that.
Yeah.
If we have a test or if we have a test, I always ask my student first, please prepare a piece of paper and keep your book in your bag and extra, something like this.
Okay, yeah. It's the combination from the material of giving instruction, yeah, with the procedural text. That's great, yeah. Using those instruction gradually to your students, Bu Rani, yeah, have already implemented. Thank you, Bu Rani. Then Bu Ani tadi, as far as remember, not yet, yeah.
No, no.
Okay, not yet. Okay, thank you, Bu Ani. Then we have Pak Radityo.
Not yet, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Pak Radityo. Pak Heri Wahyu Nugroho, how about you?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then how about you, Bu Katarina? Yeah.
Not yet.
Not yet. Thank you, Bu Katarina, for your response. Pak Bayu, how about you?
Mic-nya Pak Bayu, mic. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm late because I must pick up my doctor. About use procedural text, not yet because in my topic not use procedural text. We discuss about culture.
Okay, culture, yeah. At that time you have a class, but do not discuss yet about procedural text, ya, Pak Bayu. Yeah,
Yes.
maybe you can try it in another occasion. Thank you, Pak Bayu, ya. Okay, then
Thank you, Mr.
Budiah Susilawati, have you done trying in your class?
No. Teachers does not come.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, Budiah. Thank you. Then Bu Endang Sri Wahyuni, how about you? Have you done it?
Not yet, because I learn procedure text to have and certain material math. Usually to provide the instruction on practical assessment and project assessment. So itu hanya memberikan instruksi saja, misalnya student prepare your book, prepare your pencil, please your me.
Oke, ya.
Hanya itu saja, karena untuk kosakata itu hanya pada materi tertentu.
Oke.
Ya, cukup.
Yeah, thank you Bu Endang ya. So it's okay, started from the simple things, yeah, like the general classroom instruction, yeah, prepare your book. Then after that, you can prepare your pencil, you can take out furthermore and extra, yeah. That's great Bu Endang ya. Later on in your specific topic, you need to try it deeply ya. Mungkin di kesempatan lainnya tadi yang Bu Endang sampaikan. Okay, then we have untuk Radit, ini Pak Radit atau
pakai komputer sama HP.
Oh, oke, so sorry. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that's about our progress, yeah, related with the motivations, then related with the sharing, yeah, because most of you haven't got the chance, yeah, to implement in the class. That's okay, Bapak Ibu. Tidak apa-apa, itu nanti tadi dimulai ya. We can start from the simple things, general classroom instruction, ya, like preparing the lesson. Mungkin Bapak Ibu ya, you can start with starting a prayer kemarin ya sudah, or you can start with the following step in giving your homework ya. Bisa Bapak Ibu nanti misalnya ada tugas, we have project based ya. Have you got a project based before? Nah, misalnya kalau sudah ada project based, you can implement this, giving instruction step by step ya, in order to your students using procedural text. Kemarin ya, if you want to share it naturally, related with the natural, you can use the direct verb, verb one, blah blah blah, or we have auxiliary ya for the beginning ya, to be ya. Kemarin ada yang kata sifat kemarin misalnya, salah satu langkahnya adalah bersenang-senanglah ya, suruh menikmati. Nah itu kan tidak langsung bisa verb ya, we can have verb and also we can have adjective. Ada yang masih ingat Bapak Ibu kalau adjective kita menginstruksikannya bagaimana? Misalnya happy, something like that. Ya, thank you, be happy. Kita masih ingat ya itu ya. Oke, then we'll have another one ya. Nah, kira-kira dari praktek yang Bapak Ibu lakukan, kan belum semua ya, mengimplementasikan di kelas. Tetapi self practice ya, I'm sure that you have done it. Tadi you have self practice in the classroom last week on Friday. Nah, itu dari on Friday sama kemarin ada another steps ya di buku itu yang untuk latihan. Sama mungkin ada 1-2 tadi yang sudah mengimplementasikan di kelas, that you have done implement it in the class. So can you share what is the strength and weaknesses? Kira-kira kita cermatinya sejauh ini, saya ini masih kesulitan di sini misalnya ya. Misalnya, this is just samples ya. Maybe lack of technological knowledge. Ya, for example, in giving procedure, in sharing to the students ya, implement this procedural text, we have difficulty with technology. Nah, atau mungkin lainnya ya, we have an incomplete understanding of specific skills misalnya. Nah, mungkin tidak itu, atau mungkin tentang the monotonous reliance ya on a routine. Mungkin ya itu saja, saya procedural text-nya itu saja. Nah, mungkin atau malah yang ini perfectionism. Nah, karena mungkin saya terlalu ini ya, perfeksionis mungkin. Jadi malah saya takut untuk mempraktekkan. Kalau belum tahu ini benar atau salah. Which one? You want to share so far ya, yang pernah Bapak Ibu praktekkan, whether this is self practice ya or it's done by yourself in a class. What is your weaknesses and strength? Oh, sir, I have a good pronunciation so far. I guess I have. Misalnya gitu. Which one? Bapak Ibu bisa, you can do your self-reflection ya. You can do your self-reflection. Mungkin ada yang sudah lancar. Maybe I'm quite fluent with giving a procedural text. But maybe this one, it's too monotonous because I'm just discussing about this, about the general instruction, general procedure in the class. Now, which one, Bapak Ibu? What's your weaknesses and strengths so far? Yeah, based on your reflection. Bapak Ibu membuat refleksi dulu sebentar. Bisa, you can spend several minutes, ya, 1-2 menit. You can do reflections. Kira-kira saya masih lemah di mana ya? I lack of basis device, sir. I forgot to use it to run the sentences smoothly, ya, misalnya seperti itu. Atau apa? Ya. Siap, ya, Bapak Ibu nanti merefleksikan itu kekurangannya. Kira-kira saya lemah di mana? Saya ini sudah lumayan bagus di mana? Ya, you can share it in English laterannya. We can try it in English. We are going to wait for several minutes. Kita tunggu sebentar, Bapak Ibu. Oke, Bapak Ibu, ada yang mau mencoba?
I am to try, Mister.
Ya, oke, Bu Enda. You may.
My reflection lesson prosedur lesson, pembelajaran teks prosedur. My difficult when practice procedure text is finding the bab 3. I don't know. Bab 1, bab 2, bab 3, I don't know.
Okay, that's about Bu Endah ya, self reflection. Any other? Is that enough, Bu Endah?
Vocabulary minim.
Oh, lack of vocabulary. Okay, thank you.
Vocabulary minim.
Okay, yeah. We have the common problem. Is there any other? Ada lagi, Ibu Endah? Do you have any other sharing?
Not confident.
Okay, not confident. Yeah, yeah. Maybe the other Bapak Ibu, yeah. You can also, what's that? Do your self reflection. Do you have the same weaknesses, yeah, with Endah, yeah, related with the grammatical things, ya. Mungkin ini umum. Kita bisa ya, I respond directly to Bu Endah, ya. So we can learn it together from our friends' feedback, ya. Grammatical things. Then the second one is about lack of vocabulary. The third one is about self-confidence. We can wrap it into one. Kita bisa membungkusnya jadi satu, Bapak Ibu ya. Dengan apa? Salahnya ini. Having a sharing, teaching sharing like this. Later on, we do hope Bapak Ibu can create your own speaking club maybe. Yeah, who knows, Pak? Maybe Pak Budi later on ya, after our program ended and ya, to strengthen the environment, ya, you can have your speaking practice. Ya, you have the same environment, then we can create tadi yang self confidence. If we try it in front of our friends, ya, it help us to reduce our anxiety. Ya, Bapak Ibu, ini salah satu artikelnya di jurnal psikologi yang pernah saya baca. Kalau kita mulai latihan dengan teman sejawat, ya, dengan sejawat itu akan mengurangi rasa nervous dan sebagainya, kecemasan. Akhirnya we can improve our this one self confidence. And then the vocabulary kemarin ya pernah saya singgung sedikit itu. It will be kept in our long-term memory if we have a direct context. Jadi dengan praktek seperti ini, Bapak Ibu saling mendengar, saling mengujarkan, nanti yang dipakai kosakata seperti ini yang akan membekas, Bapak Ibu. Ya, we can remember a page, 2 pages, 3 pages, but next week, next month, maybe we forget. But if we practice, ya, directly like this with this environment, ya, dengan seperti ini tadi misalnya, oh ya, guru penggerak itu kemarin saat diskusi itu di awal, a teacher as a driving force, oh itu akan ingat selalu karena pernah dibahas secara konteks seperti ini, Bapak. It will be kept on the long term memory. Nah, that's the answer for Bu Endah ya. It mean not the fixed answer. This is one of suggestion ya. We need daily practices or routines ya, at least routine. Maybe you can conduct it weekly or something like that related with teaching, sharing. Sudah ngajar apa saja yang disisui oleh bahasa Inggris ya, for example like that. Nah, so several weaknesses from Bu Endah's opinion later on, we do hope that it can be reduced. Itu nggih Bu Endah dan Bapak Ibu. Ya, thank you for sharing for the weaknesses. Ya, we do it together. Nah, ada lagi Bapak Ibu? We are on communicative language teaching. Ya, communicative purposes. Kemarin jangan takut. Do not afraid of making mistakes. Ya, sering kita gaungkan itu ya. Because we will what's that? Speak more and more. Ya, without considering the mistake first. Ya, the mistake will be discussed in the middle or in the end. Nah, kemarin seperti itu kan. Jadi kita kalau belajar jangan takut grammar dulu, jangan takut salah dulu. Ujarkan saja nggak apa-apa, dengan mix bahasa itu nggak apa-apa ya. Kita mulai, we start with our productive skill. Nah, nanti kita saling koreksi di akhir. Nah, misalnya Bapak Ibu nanti saling koreksi. Oke. Ya, the other one that have
Mr. Ari.
Go on, Pak Budi.
I can try to my opinion. Why we have not been able to practice because currently right now we have a lot of work to be done. After mid semester formative, we must correct this answer from my student. After that, enter value and the report application and so on. If a lot of work, ya intinya karena kita banyak pekerjaan sehingga belum bisa mempraktekkan begitu. I'm sorry, Mas Dari.
It's okay, Pak Budi ya. It's acceptable, Bapak Ibu ya. It's okay. We are trying to accompany you, to motivate you ya. And because we are from many settings ya, it mean you have your work done for this teacher, that teacher. We have several different job description. That's very okay, Pak Budi and Bapak Ibu ya. So we have these obstacles, ya, halangan. So maybe I'm coordinating with Pak Daniel. So now, ya, to have this alternative solution, ya, related with our practice later on. Nah, later on we will discuss about it after the sharing, Pak Budi and Bapak Ibu ya. Thank you for sharing related with the obstacles. Halangannya tadi ya, kelemahannya karena ada beberapa tugas-tugas, jadi kita belum sempat praktek. Gak apa-apa Bapak Ibu ya, we have limited time, karena kemarin memang waktunya hanya Friday, then we got the holiday, then yeah, this Monday we have a sharing. Apa? Ada lagi Bapak Ibu, before I do sharing about mine, saya tunggu sebentar. Ada Bapak Ibu? Or do you have questions related with
Mr. Bayu? Mr. Bayu? Mr. Bayu?
I'll try. Maybe I have confused about the topic that we must read and use. Also, to make a good sentence, there is rather difficult to me.
Yeah. Difficulty in making a good sentence ya Pak Bayu, in the level of how we write, then later on how we speak in a good sentence ya. Yeah, started from what we have discussed with Bu Endah, for example ya, related with grammatical mistakes. Nah, it started from that nightmare. We can call it nightmare because we are afraid of making mistakes in my sentence is not perfect. Nah, nggak apa-apa Bapak Ibu, mumpung kita settingnya adalah we have the internal discussion, we have peer sharing dan seperti ini. Nanti salah-salah tetap diujarkan mawon Pak Bayu ya. You need to utter this. Later on, if there will be me or Pak Daniel, Pak Dangin, Bu Elisa or others, Bu Arum or something like that, we will do feedbacks related with your sentence. But later on, if you have your own, you can try to do feedback each other, to make feedback each other. Nah, the feedback for our mistakes later on, we will have a grammatical book, for example, Bapak Ibu. Nah, nanti Bapak Ibu, you can try to browse, but not today. This is for our longer and longer plan. Yeah, the grammatical book like we have Betis Camp Azhar, for example, like that we can find it in Gramedia or we can find it online to do checking. Misalnya to do checking ya, related with our sentence whether this is correct or not. Or if you have your leisure time, kalau punya waktu luang mungkin ya kita bisa manfaat sesekali membaca, kita bisa membaca tentang grammatical books first. Tapi ingat, itu bukan jadikan momok untuk ketakutan ya Bapak Ibu, cuma untuk for example do checking or something like that. Oh, this one, if using verb 3, we cannot use it to the past time, to like a point in the past. I ate 6 p.m. yesterday. Oh, that's a point in the past. But if this is about kind of duration that we have done, yeah, for example, simple present about perfect tense. Oh, I have eaten, yeah, this morning. Oh, that is duration. Itu salah satunya ya di buku misalnya Bapak Ibu mau buku Betty itu tadi ada kayak penjelasan secara logis ya, analoginya ada. Nah, dan lain-lain. Itu kalau Bapak Ibu punya you have another extra times ya, and you can maximize your leisure time Pak Bayu. Nah, sementara tadi dengan regardless the mistakes, the grammatical things ya, you need to try. Nah, I'll share about how is language learning done. Nah, sedikit ya Bapak Ibu sharing. Language learning are adapting from acquiring language. Nah, acquiring itu adalah pemulihan bahasa. Jadi saat Bapak Ibu punya putra atau ayah itu kan saat balita, toddler, kindergarten, and ya, baby itu kan tidak diajari grammar itu. Pertama adalah perbanyak kosakata dulu ya, mendapatkan receptive skill dari sekitar kita. Sama, kita itu ibaratkan bayi Bapak Ibu ya. Bayi dengan lingkungan kita yang menggunakan bahasa Inggris nantinya ya di sini. Nanti kita akan ada input, nanti berkembang. Nah, saat anak-anak kita melakukan kesalahan, kan kita tidak langsung mengajarkan, oh ini subjek, verb, predikat. Nah, itu di sekolah. Nah, tahapannya sama. Nanti kita memberi feedback terakhir Pak Bayu ya, saat tadi. Jadi, that's a common problem, masalah yang sering kita rasakan, oh kalimat saya tidak kurang sempurna ini. Nah, seperti itu. Itu beranjak dari we have self-redemption. Nah, ini kita dengan berdamai dengan diri sendiri, pembalasan dengan diri sendiri dengan cara mencoba saja. Ya, coba-coba nanti sambil jalan, Pak. That's the way ya, we can solve ya. One way ya, one of several ways to solve that problem. Thank you Pak Bayu. Any other?
Thank you Mr. Hari.
Okay.
Hari.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
Some of my friends still confused with past participle or verb 3.
Oh yeah, okay.
What is it? Where we find it and when we use it?
Oke, Bapak Ibu ya.
Okay.
Past participle ya.
Yeah.
Oke. This is out of the topic. Saya izin dulu ini menjelaskan tentang di luar topik procedural text ya, secara khusus ya, tetapi about past participle. Nah, sekarang saya akan do screen sharing tentang ini ya. MS Word dulu sebentar. Oh, saya ketik di sini dulu ya, di chat. Ini. Ini dulu. I ate, I have eaten. I do not give additional adverb yet. Saya belum memberikan keterangan waktu dulu ke Bapak Ibu. Ya. Kalau bahasa Inggris itu tanpa keterangan waktu pun ada tense seperti ini cukup. Nah, nanti keterangan waktu untuk memperkuat. Nah, oke, Bu Rani and others, ya, what do you think the differences? Nanti kita bahas ya. Pertama, apakah ini sama? Do this has the same sense? The same willingness for the speaker to utter I ate and I have eaten?
The sentence
I ate.
I ate.
Nah, di chat itu ya, I have eaten.
Okay. I will check it first.
Okay. Do you have what is that? The opinion related with this? Kalau belum, saya tambahin ya keterangan waktu untuk mendukung ini. I ate
Kalau yang atas itu saya makan itu bisa tadi. Ya, karena sudah terjadi kan itu verb 2. Oh ya, itu kan ya. Yang bawah, saya sudah makan. Yang ini perfect ya.
Ya, itu yang atas kan simple past.
Yang atas past simple past tense, yang bawah
ya. Oke, with the present perfect ya. Kita pakai tadi past participle ya, Bu, yang verb 3.
Iya, iya.
Nah. Oke. Sebentar. Kalau enaknya pakai yang whiteboard online ya, sebentar saya
gini loh Mas, maksudnya teman-teman itu kok itu bisa berubah-ubah toh gitu maksudnya. Itu dapatnya di mana? Ada beberapa yang nanya seperti itu.
Yang berubah-ubah. Oh, oke. Mungkin ini ya. Maksudnya belum sejauh ini ya.
Eat, eaten seperti itu, drink, drang, drung seperti itu.
Oh, ya, oke.
Mereka kan kemarin dijelaskan tentang passive voice kan. Nah, passive voice kan ada verb 3-nya itu. Mereka bingung kok dapat dari mana.
Oh, oke. Nah, thank you Bu Rani for the further explanation ya. So we can have the same and synchronize the understanding. Jadi kita harus in sharing the past verb 2 and the past participle verb 3 ya, mengetahuinya itu dulu ya, Bu. Commonly secara umum ya, in English we can add d or ed ya. Kita akan menambahi d atau ed. Itu umumnya mayoritas. Study, studied kemarin ya. Misalnya work, worked. Nah, kemarin yang praktek ya, worked. Nah, lalu ada sebagian kecil persentase itu yang namanya itu tadi yang regular ya. Ya, regular. Ada yang irregular Bapak Ibu, yang tidak teratur. Nah, kalau yang teratur kita tidak perlu mencermati terlalu dalam karena itu sudah teratur plus D plus ED kan Bapak Ibu ya. Nah, kira-kira kita lebih fokus ke yang teratur atau tidak teratur? Karena yang tidak teratur itu sedikit. Nah, jadi ada yang tidak teratur itu, Bapak Ibu dapatnya dari mana? It's already the language agreement. Jadi kalau bahasa itu ada namanya social convention, language agreement dalam linguistik itu. Nah, dalam language agreement-nya itu dari misalnya eat, ate, eaten. Nah, itu sudah ditentukan secara irregular, verb satunya itu eat, verb 2-nya ate, verb 3-nya eaten. Gitu. Jadi nanti akan saya susulkan di grup ya Bapak Ibu, list irregular verb. Jadi kita belajar irregular verb saja. Kalau nggak ada di situ berarti gimana Bapak Ibu? Tambah ed atau d gitu kan. Nah, gampangnya seperti itu. Jadi nanti Bapak Ibu mungkin sementara di awal bingung karena mungkin belum semua mencermati irregular verb. Kok ini bisa ya? Go, when, gone. Nah, itu kita harus mencermati irregular verb dulu. Kalau go itu salah satu bukan goet atau good ya, karena tidak reguler, itu tidak tambah ed atau ed ya. Tetapi itu adalah irregular. Nah, nanti kita akan melihat listnya dulu. Saya akan kirimkan setelah sharing ini ya, Bapak Ibu. Mekaten Bu Rani?
Terima kasih Mas untuk penjelasannya.
Ya, sama-sama.
Makin menambah pengetahuan buat kami semua dan nggak bingung lagi kami.
Nggih. Nah, saya tambahi sedikit. Itu kan reguler nanti akan saya share. Oh, sebelum saya tambahi, Bu Endah, monggo.
Thank you, Mr. I want reflection ya. Unek-unek.
Oke.
Yeah. I am a beginner English user, but this course I must learn tenses. Nah, materi ini, I think this material make me less excited. I think this course will teach to speak English as noise user. Don't use grammar.
Oh yeah. Okay. It's okay, Bu Enda, because your friends are curious with it, but it's okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's an opinion from Bu Enda. Our focus is about speaking productive, and we will make kind of review If we confused about something we discuss about it But I try to manage those two point of view. Pendekatan pertama kan kita belajar lalu ada bingung tata bahasanya pengen dikoreksi gitu ya. Ya, boleh kita koreksi sebentar tapi tidak terlalu mendalam. Nanti tadi less interest on the topic ya. Itu. Tapi biar tidak terkesan nanti pembiaran istilahnya ya sudah itu tidak dibahas dan sebagainya. Nah, okay, then Bu Endah sharing is our priority. Memang prioritas kita adalah communicative language teaching So give us a chance to create to have a speech related with our procedural text. Nah, itu. Nah, because we have no time at the past to implement in our class. I want Bapak Ibu later on, if you have time to implement to the class or outside of the class as a resource materials. Jadi tidak hanya di kelas mungkin nanti, tetapi memakai video Bapak Ibu untuk materi di kelas. Nah, kayak misalnya seperti kemarin itu Bu Diah memakai video tentang sex education nggih Bu Diah nggih. Ya, itu salah satu materi juga. Authentic materials from the other person the other reference. Nah, nanti Bapak Ibu juga bisa dengan versi seperti itu. Nanti akan saya share. Nah, sekarang berhubungan dengan versi itu, saya ingin Bapak Ibu sharing nanti. Kemarin kan sudah latihan. Bu Endah have shared about a simple things related with the giving procedure by your own topic, dengan topiknya Bu Endah sendiri, kemudian Pak Edi, semuanya dari Pak Udin dan lain-lain. Nah, mungkin besok ini kita akan targetkan, tadi I already communicate to the other team, kita akan membuat video pembelajaran supaya Bapak Ibu, salah satunya kemarin sharing dengan saya ada yang sharing Bapak Ibu guru, Mister, how to make the class more interesting, One of them is with authentic materials, dengan materi-materi yang autentik. Nah, salah satunya kadang kan kita bisa sometimes we can take it from YouTube, from someone's video. Terus Bapak Ibu pernah memakai video orang lain? Nah, what do you think if your students see the video, the input from the teacher itself, the teacher himself, the teacher herself? Gimana? Beda nggak anak-anak kira-kira Bapak Ibu semuanya ini nanti bisa menjawab, melihat video yang dibuat orang lain dengan video yang dibuat Bapak Ibu guru sendiri. Misalnya, melihat Pak Heri Wahyu ini membuat video sendiri tentang hal misalnya, atau Pak Heru Ponco tentang olahraga misalnya step to play basketball, tapi Pak Heru sendiri misalnya yang menyampaikan. Nah, kira-kira lebih antusias mana anak-anak? Buatan sendiri. Nah, kita akan punya satu porsi We will make one portion. The deadline is not too short, tidak seperti the weekly meeting, tidak kita tagih minggu depan, tidak, tapi sampai program ini berakhir, saat UAS nanti Bapak Ibu akan mengumpulkan video itu supaya punya waktu. Tadi Pak Budi has said that we have a lot of work to do, ya. Yeah? We do agree with that. Kita banyak sekali pekerjaan ya yang ada di sekitar kita yang Bapak Ibu. Nah, makanya targetnya lama. Nanti Bapak Ibu bisa ini ya, memiliki video sendiri tentang pembelajarannya. Nah, sebentar. Layar di sini sudah kelihatan Bapak Ibu?
Sudah.
Nah, I will share this video ya. How to make dawet ireng Purworejo. Siap. Have you
Cendol dawet.
Ya, cendol dawet. Ada yang belum pernah minum ini?
Belum.
Solo dawet telasih.
Dawet telasih ya. Ini Ibu mertua saya kebetulan penjual dawet di Purworejo. Besok bisa mampir ya di dekat SMA. Wah, Bu Angel tahu ini ya. Ini ini cerita ya, sharing. I took the authentic videos from the real place. Jadi ini kameranya juga dari saya, soundnya dari saya dan sebagainya. Jadi my students will feel excited to see her or his or their teacher up there on the screen. Jadi Bapak Ibu bisa, ini contoh saja ya, Bapak Ibu misalnya seperti ini. Tadi make a list showing what the materials misalnya.
Cendol. Bahan cendol.
Tidak ada suara ya?
Oh, nggak ada suara nggih. Oh, bentar. Sudah tadi muncul suaranya Bapak Ibu?
Belum. No.
Oh iya.
Sampun?
Belum.
Oh, belum. Oh.
Suara paling ilustrasinya. Kalau suara maksudnya cara pembuatannya atau hanya sekedar untuk background-nya aja?
Suara penjelasannya, Pak.
Penjelasannya ya. Kalau
belum muncul ya, Pak?
Belum.
Oh ya, mungkin I have a technical problems ya with this one. Kalau background-nya masuk, background suaranya?
Belum juga. Suaranya nggak masuk.
Nggak ada.
Oh,
gambarnya.
Paling YouTube-nya
Baru
aja.
videonya.
Okay, I will give the YouTube link ya to all of you. Yeah, the point is that we can make our own. Yeah, Budia will have a simple procedural text related how to avoid this and this and this and this. Mungkin 3 menit saja. Nah, nanti untuk ditampilkan di sana. Ya, nanti siswanya akan, wah, Bu Endah, Budia, and seterusnya. Ya, oh Bu Rani, and seterusnya. Ya, I will give the instruction, ya, for the duration, ya, for the criteria later on, ya, when I give you the procedural text. Nah, kira-kira dari situ untuk sharing karena belum ada implementasi, ya, karena kita apa istilahnya waktunya mepet kemarin yang di luar kelas. Sekarang we will have a speaking activity, ya. Each of you will share about the plan. Ya, the plan. We do not talk about the implementation that have been done. Tetapi tentang plan-nya. Kira-kira yang berkaitan dengan mata pelajaran Bapak Ibu yang akan dibuat video apa, ya? Mungkin nanti bisa dari Bu Endah, Pak Edi, Bu Ari, Pak Buti, Pak Heri, Pak Heru, ya, Pak Heri Wahyu, Bu Ani, Bu Dia, Bu Rani, Pak Bayu, Bu Katarina, ya, dan Bu Endang will share, ya, and Pak Tadik Dio will share. what you are going to do for this topic in your real class. Dalam minggu terdekat, minggu depannya lagi, mungkin ada mata pelajaran apa? You can observe your lesson plan, your syllabus, for example. Oh, this topic. Then you can share it currently, yeah, that I'm going to present, I'm going to make this one, yeah. I'm going to perform this dance, yeah. I will go to this certain place to prepare with these costumes, with this title of dance, with this instrument. Nah, mungkin seperti itu. Bapak Ibu mungkin bisa do your self reflection, lalu bisa melakukan speaking activity seperti yang tadi sudah diingatkan oleh Bu Endah, ya. So we have chance to do speaking this time. Kemecer ya, not kemecer ya. Oke, kemecer Pak Budi ya. Kemecer, we need to hold our saliva, right? Saliva that will comes out from our mouth. Yeah, sometimes in English we do not have the direct vocabulary. Seperti kunduran truk itu, that we cannot do translation with the same phrase. Yeah. Sometimes we can do a translation with one or two words or phrases. Yeah, Pak Daniel was already, yeah, from the pictures drinking the coffee, yeah, that's make me kemecer. Okay.
Like kemeronggo.
Yeah, Japanese is rich of the, what is that? Vocabulary, politeness strategy, yeah. Pak Budi, Pak Bayu, and others, yeah. One of them, yeah. My expertise in linguistics, yeah. Sometimes we discuss about politeness strategy, and then those experts, para pengarang, profesor yang barat-barat itu memberikan contoh itu banyak dengan bahasa Jawa, ya. Japanese words that occur, yeah, in the daily life. They make their samples for the topic. Okay, sambil menunggu tadi sudah we are discussing about kemecer, kemeropo, and extra. Yeah, who want to share the last one? Ini untuk what do you think? What is your plan regarding with the task assignment? Yeah, the project base that need to be done, yeah, during this program. It's not for me, it is not for the program, ya, but this is for your students. Cita-citanya adalah Bapak Ibu punya sebuah luarannya, output sebuah video, simple saja, about procedural text, ya, tentang mata satu saja yang berkaitan dengan mata pelajaran Bapak Ibu. Ya, you can take a video with yourself or whatever is it, yeah, you can ask your friends, family members, or something like that. The important things in this speaking time, I want you to share, to do sharing. Ya. Kira-kira saya ingin menanyakan ke Pak Radityo. Kira-kira what do you want to make, Pak Radityo, in your project?
Maybe make editing video, maybe.
Editing video, yeah.
Yes. By step by step.
Okay, editing video. Okay, we got this topic, editing video. Thank you. That's great idea. It's simple, then it's interesting for the students. Yeah, simple means this is the basic. So all the viewer can be from your student and can be from outside there, yeah, from the society. Editing video using the PC or mobile phone or both of them, Pak Raditya? Using what device? Certain device or all devices? Kan ada yang yang ini simple nih pakai HP ya, pakai handphone, atau using the very big apps, misalnya aplikasi yang lumayan besar. Which one?
Yes. Aplikasi for HP.
Oh ya, mobile phone apps.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for the response. The other one after
You're
Pak
welcome.
Raditya. What are you going to do? Nah, if we tend to have willingness, ya, what will you do? Itu kita concern more on the willingness, ya, the natural things. But if we have a plan, Bapak Ibu, ya, bisa lebih menggunakan be going to, ya. What are you going to do? Misalnya, what are you going to do, Bu Ani? Ya, for your video project. Yeah, what are you going to do? Sometimes what could, ya, disingkat kan? What you gonna do? Gitu. What you going to do? Ada selain Pak Radityo yang mau share?
How to
Ya.
How to membuat ya, Pak?
Make.
How to make pork putri.
Pardon, Bu Endah, can you repeat once again? How to make?
How to make pork putri. Prosedur make.
Bagaimana membuat
puisi
rakyat.
Oh, poetry. Yeah, okay, thank you. Wow, that's great. It's about philosophy, poetry, yeah, in the next level, yeah. Yeah. You can make that suggestion, yeah, related with a certain procedure, Bu Endah, yeah. Then you can highlight, because sometimes poetry is related about figurative language perception, yeah. That's interesting, related with language. Yeah, that's great. Bu Endah, thank you. Then what's next? The poetry is that I forgot to ask about the specific poetry. Indonesian poetry, Western poetry, classic poetry, current poetry.
Classic.
Okay.
Pantun.
Yep.
Halo.
Okay, then next after Bu Endah, thank you ya.
Yeah.
What else? Bu Endah and Pak Radityo done, ya. Done for sharing the plan. What you gonna do? What are you going to do? Nah.
Apa ya?
Make series and parallel circuit.
Series and parallel circuit from Bu Katarina, ya. How to make series and parallel circuits. Do you want to have the direct media or using visualization or image, Bu Katrina?
Really, a media.
The real media, yeah.
Apple, like battery.
Okay, you can show the real procedure with the real media.
Indirect current.
Indirect currents, yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Bu Katarina, yeah. So we can use that one, yeah, like what Bu Katarina's plan, yeah, using the direct media to show the students about the battery, to show the students about the wire, yeah, and so on. Or if you find difficult in this visualization, you can have image, yeah, in your video, kan, like what Pak Radityo, we can use editing, right, Pak Radityo, yeah. procedural text misalnya, wah saya kesulitan ini bahannya ini, we can show the image here on the screen, for example like that. Or using voice over or something like that ya. Nanti Bapak Ibu need to watch Pak Radityo video first ya, to make your editing. Saya promokan ini Pak Radityo. Oke, thank you Mbak Katarina. After Bu Katarina, wanna share yours as the closing? Ini Bu Ketua kelas menunjuk ya, Budia.
Ya.
Ya, Budia.
To stop drink narkoba itu apa?
Drugs, ya.
Drugs. Oh iya.
Yeah.
How to stop drugs.
How to stop drugs. Yeah. Thank you. That's interesting. And then for this junior high school, you have the analysis for their characteristic and so on ya. It will be beneficial Bu Enda. Saya yakin ini akan sangat berguna ya. Using the real one or you can have the other media for it. Who knows that you have friends that already got addicted. Misalnya dulu pernah lalu diwawancari kan bisa. Which one? Real media, real person, or using short videos from other videos or something like that. Probably you can think about that. Nanti bisa you can mind about this. Oke, Budia ya. Nanti saya mau memakai apa ya nanti bisa. You can ask for help ya for others. Kita Bapak Ibu yang penting we got the idea, we got the practice ya about technical things, maybe we can ask other for help. Jangan sungkan-sungkan Bapak Ibu. Misalnya kalau kita membahas tentang penelitian, ada statistik, mungkin kita bisa meminta bantuan tentang yang pintar statistik, tapi kita harus mengetahui secara penelitiannya seperti apa. Sama dengan ini ya, this project based. Bapak Ibu mungkin ada kesulitan tentang editing, nah nanti kita bisa coba saling membantu seperti itu. After Budia, we got several teachers that do not share the plan yet. Tadi Pak Karimudin beberapa mungkin sekalian dirangkum di sini Pak Karimudin. What are you going to do related with this project base? Pak Edi.
Okay.
Bagi dulu.
We can determine the heat kalor, itu menentukan besar kalor.
Oke.
Measure mass and temperature.
Oke. Measure mass and temperature. Great, Pak Edi ya. You can have your combination for media, or you can put your videos in front of the whiteboard and you try to explain them about the procedure. It can be ya. It's your creativity. Boleh Pak Edi dan Bapak Ibu yang lain. It's about your creativity. It's free. Thank you Pak Edi. Tadi Pak Karimudin want to say something?
Sorry, Mr. Heri. Tadi terputus koneksi buruk.
Yeah, it's okay, Pak.
Untuk tema video ya. Reflection prediction tomorrow masih masih di vocabulary dan grammatical. Untuk video mau mencoba untuk sama seperti prediction tomorrow. Dari tema puasa gitu aja.
Okay, we have the similar topics with your micro teaching ya, midterms topic ya, with types of fast from find different kinds of religion. Okay, yeah, that's still the same idea. Great, Pak Kamirudin. Yeah, you can have your abundant pictures, for example, yeah, because maybe we cannot find it easily to interview, to have the direct person, authentic person, yeah, authentic material, the person who felt that one. Pak Kamirudin, yeah, you can use your creativity later on. Yeah. Okay, who's next? Thank you, Pak Karimudin. We have Pak Budi, Pak Heri Wahyu, Pak Heru
Can
Ponco.
try.
Okay.
Continue last week lesson. We make simple programs using the Scratch application.
Okay, using the Scratch applications.
Yes. Make a simple program.
Make a simple program using Scratch apps.
Application.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Pak Budi. Yeah, that will be your project for this one.
Yeah.
So you will have the screen recording, Pak Budi.
Okay, I can try. Maybe next time I can use video to practice.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Budi. Yeah. So you have an effort, in making this one, through simple procedure through the video. So we need maybe one of them with screen recording. Okay. Thank you, Pak Budi. Who next? Tadi yang belum. Pak Heri.
It's me. Okay, thank you. I want try to make a clipping.
Clipping. Yeah, how to make a beautiful clipping. Yeah, step by step.
Step by step.
Yeah. So how can you use your materials? Authentic materials or
authentic material?
Great.
Kemudian dibawa ke sekolah, kemudian dibuat secara berkelompok, kemudian divideokan.
Yep, that's great. You can make it with your students too, ya. Bapak Ibu boleh membuat dengan tadi your implementation with your student, ya. Your student will be inside of your video, can be, ya. So if the undergraduate student, the other students will see this, they will feel proud about it. Mungkin kebanggaan juga ya, Pak Heri tadi mengajak kelompok-kelompok membuat, divideokan. Mungkin mereka kalau ditampilkan ya, if Pak Heri Wahyu show them to the other generation, to the other class, maybe they will feel proud. Yeah. Thank you, Pak Heri.
Yes, thank you.
Then how's the other one? We have Bu Ani, Pak Heru Ponco, Pak Bayu, then Bu Rani, Bu Endang, yang belum, Pak Heri Purwati.
Make step by step, right? How to write story short.
How to write a short story. Okay, thank you, Bu Ani. Yeah, you can add outstanding gitu ya, misalnya how to write an outstanding short story ya, misalnya. Yeah, everyone will watch Bu Ani berjudul text video ya. Thank you, Bu Ani ya.
Mr. Adi.
Yeah, it's not that easy to make short story ya. So we need to prove it. Yeah, okay. The other one, Bu Rani, Bu Endang, Pak Heri, or Pak Heri Purwati, or Bu Rani.
I will make a presentation about how to make a paper maybe.
Pardon, I feel about the internet connection problems. Can you repeat once more?
Okay. How to make a plain paper?
Oh, how to make a plain paper? Yeah, using the authentic materials.
Yeah, using the authentic material and direct practice.
Direct practice. Yeah. Okay. So you can ask the other person to help you in recording the video. Thank you once again, Bu Rani. Then we have Pak Heri Purwati, Pak Heru Ponco, Bu Endang.
Yes, I. Yes.
Bu Ari.
Yes,
okay, Pak Heri. Yeah. Which one first?
I went the assembly for formulation of Pancasila as the basis of the state.
Ya.
Bermain peran dalam sidang perumusan Pancasila sebagai dasar.
Okay, the role play ya for Pancasila formation ya, the form of Pancasila. Yeah, thank you, Pak Heri. You can have the combination ya, but first of all you can concern on the procedural text ya. You can make a list who are the characters. Yeah, that's great. We can imagine about that one ya. Mungkin Pak Budi malah besok bisa menjadi role play keluar ini ya, external role play ya for SMP Warga. The video that's good. Yeah, starting from the simple short video, then you can elaborate it. Thank you, Pak Heri. Yeah, with kindness for the role play. Then we have Bu Ari, Pak Heru Ponco, Endang Sri.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay, Pak. Oh, Pak Heru first. Okay, Pak Heru.
Yes. I need make video text practice basketball because the technique basketball AC. Jadi saya ingin membuat video basketball karena basketball itu sangat mudah dipelajari.
Yes, to interact. Yeah, to attract others that this is easy. Like we have English is easy ya. Tadi ada grammar itu sekian, atau math is easy ya. Kadang we have challenge like that. Oh, matematika itu mudah. Oh, playing basketball is easy ya, for example like that. Great, Pak Heru Ponco ya. You will be the actor yourself or you will have the voice over? Or you can ask your student to do the tricks and passing or dribbling, something like that.
Passing, dribbling, and shooting.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. That's the point, yeah, for your procedural text. Pak Heru can do it by yourself, or you can ask your student, ya. The important thing is about the language. Ya, tadi kreativitas kan bisa macam-macam. Do you understand about VO, Bapak Ibu? Voice over itu kalau dalam bahasa keseharian namanya dubbing, ya. Tapi kalau dalam English for journalism and broadcasting itu ada VO, voice over. Jadi nanti misalnya ya, this is just sample. For example, we have someone to do passing and then Pak Heru will explain. Ya, the voice will be there. Hanya suaranya saja itu boleh. Silakan. Karena we will emphasize on the language. Atau keseluruhan tadi mau yang direct way in doing clipping sambil clipping sendiri, nanti lainnya memvideokan boleh ya. Oke. That's the idea ya, the plan from Pak Heru Ponco. Oke, thank you Pak Heru. Oke, who's next tadi? Sepertinya Bu Ari open mic ya. Or Bu Endang.
Ya, saya.
Bu Endang. Bu Endang.
Saya ya.
Oke, Bu Endang.
I make video how to prove the area of circle.
The area of
circle.
Oh, circle.
Yeah. Student prepare apa yang dibutuhkan tuh, alat dan bahan ya, alat dan bahan.
Yes, the materials.
Yes, the material. I make
procedural text. Okay.
Okay. In the class, student praktek membuat praktek to prove the area of circle.
Okay, the student will do practice, in making a circle area. Okay.
Yes.
Bu Endang. So you will help, ya. Thank you. Like what Pak Heri, if I'm not mistaken, ya, involve the students too, ya, into your videos. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Bu Endang, ya, making circles area. Then we have those two teachers, Pak Bayu and Bu Ari Nur Hayati. Which one?
Yes, sir. Related to my material, no, linear equation of one variable.
Oke.
Sama linear satu variabel materi saya sekarang.
Ya.
Jadi agak sulit alat peraganya. Maybe I will steps for solving linear equation of one variable from everyday life problems.
Oh, solving from everyday life problems ya.
Soal cerita lalu dibuat ke dalam kalimat matematika baru diselesaikan, itu mungkin step by step for
reasonable
equation and penelitiannya.
Yeah, that's hot ya, high order thinking, Bu Arya. How to make your materials about linearity and something like that, to be easy, for the students, or we talk about the viewers, for the viewers, or like Pak Edi that want to perform, for example, in front of the whiteboard or something like that, you can do this, Bu Ari. The creativity is yours. You can wrap it. The important things is about the English language used. Now we will concern on that one. Good, Bu Ari. Then Pak Bayu at the last. Terakhir G, terus G, yang Pak Bayu.
Ya.
Oke, Pak Bayu.
I feel confused about the topic what we must do, because in social science, if we try to make a procedural text, I feel confused what the topic must we do.
Okay.
Maybe how to make presentation using Canva about the social relationship maybe.
Yeah, can be, Pak. Social relationship, how to make a presentation with that one. Yeah, sometimes we can make a discussion related with the combination from Pak Bayu's opinion, and tips, and from other reference, you can do this also, Pak Bayu, like how to avoid a hoax news, for example, like that in our social life, in our family group, WhatsApp, for example, like that, or certain topics, that's also okay, Pak Bayu. It's subject to change, Bapak Ibu. It's subject to change. If you find difficulty, don't mind it, to change. Misalnya, wah, saya di rekaman itu sudah terlanjur menyampaikan ini, I already state about this plan. That's okay as long as you have a logical reason, to change. Why? Maybe you find difficulty in finding the materials, in making the logical explanation, steps, for example. Nah, okay, I'm very happy and glad to see your commitment here in making the plan. It means making a commitment, Studying without commitment maybe be less effective. That's why for today's meeting, the purpose is about sharing, and then so sorry because the time is limited for having implementation in the class. That's why based on the current coordination, we have one additional project base. Izin ini Pak Budi menambahkan satu project base di sela-sela kesibukannya, tetapi we do not make a deadline tomorrow or next week, in the end of this program. Jadi masih lama Bapak Ibu. Jadi sambil di sela-sela kesibukannya, untuk praktek kita, Bapak Ibu bisa membuat a simple videos free. The topic, the creativity is free, related with your study, with your materials. Saya tekankan lagi, tetapi using English, You can use your other actor, you can use another material, you can take this picture, that picture, it's okay. Ada pertanyaan?
I'm sorry with procedural text.
Procedural text, Pak Bayu.
Thank you.
Giving procedure, so you can suggest your student the tips, to make tadi Canva presentation related with, this one. Atau about social science, we can have several steps in our life, For example, related about Z generation, Y generation, ya, baby bloomers, misalnya itu bisa dibahas. Lalu gimana toh kalau orang tua ini memberikan arahan ke ini? Nah, it's about Pak Bayu's field, ya. I will not give a further explanation about it. Ya.
Oke.
Oke, thank you Pak Bayu. Ada lagi Bapak Ibu?
Duration a video about 5 minutes or?
Yeah, the duration minimally like the midterms, yeah, minimally 3 minutes, minimally. But we will not have 3 minutes as the main rules, ya, bukan harus 3 menit, tidak, minimal 3 menit, lebih banyak silahkan boleh. Acuannya ya, the limitation is just about the context in English and your topic. Nah, itu saja, nanti mau dengan siapa, Bapak Ibu bisa dubbing, Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan tadi ya, I will use bahasa, project langsung, material langsung, tadi kan, Bapak Ibu yang memproses sendiri, ada yang memvideo, atau Bapak Ibu memvideo orang lain, kelas tadi yang sedang menggunakan aktivitas clipping misalnya, atau tadi dengan using parallel and series batteries, ya, wire tadi boleh, dan sebagainya. That's the duration. Then the link will be given in the end of the program, ya, Pak Budi dan Bapak Ibu. Jadi you can practice in the whole program. Jadi sambil jalan. Oke, any questions again? Nah, mungkin tadi saya akan menyampaikan, jangan khawatir, takut grammar, mohon maaf tadi kalau saya singgung sedikit past participle atau apapun, ya, karena tidak lain tidak bukan ada sedikit feedback dan tadi ada yang menanyakan, ya. Jadi our concern is about practice. I want you Bapak Ibu to have practice in your class or in this project at least, ya. Kenapa kita harus memaksakan diri untuk membuat project ini? Thank you very much. I will mention you one by one for being together in this class, ya. To be patient, to be follow each other, sharing. Tadi tujuan sharing itu tidak hanya untuk kita sendiri, tapi berguna bagi Bapak Ibu yang lain juga, ya. We can learn receptive and productive skill. Bu Endah, thank you very much, ya. Pak Edi Siswoyo, thank you. Bu Ari, Pak Budi, Pak Heri, Purwati, Pak Heru Ponco, thank you. Pak Heri Wahyu, thank you. Bu Ani, thank you very much. Bu Ani. Bu Rani, ya, thank you Bu Rani. Pak Muhammad Karimudin, thank you very much, ya. Dan Pak Bayu Rahmanto, thank you very much Pak Bayu. Bu Diah, Bu Silawati, thank you very much Bu Diah. Dan Bu Endang, Sri Wahyuni, thank you. And don't forget, ya, we have monitorized. Kita ini dimonitor ini oleh Bu Angel, ya. Thank you Bu Angel. I hope our meeting will be beneficial for us. Nanti mohon dikawal Bapak Ibu Guru untuk implementasinya juga. Ya, selain project mungkin di kelas bisa sedikit-sedikit mengatur. Ya, kita foto bersama nggih Bapak Ibu. Ya. Oke, I will count into 3. 1, 2, 3. Once again, sekali lagi. 1, 2, 3. Ya. Nah, apa tadi? Oh, ya sudah masuk ya. Tadi ada rekamannya juga, nanti rekaman mungkin bisa saya share juga ke Bapak Ibu yang lain. Thank you very much. See you next week. Oh, this week ya, with other lecturer.
Thank you.
Terima kasih Pak Budi, Bapak Ibu, sukses.
Mr. Heri.
Sehat selalu.
Amin.
Thank you Bapak Ibu. Masih gerimis.
Ya.
Udah enggak.
Iya, be careful.